Hey guys, so today's video is about W26 Plus smartwatch Apple logo. So this method works for W26, W26 Plus and W26 Plus Pro. I'm going to show you how you can get that. Let's get down to business. First thing to do to get W26 Plus smartwatch Apple logo is to go to Google Chrome, that is our Google browser, and search for Apple logo, black Apple logo. Before that, I have to switch on my data, my Bluetooth, and my location. Okay, so I'm going to type black Apple logo. Okay, as you can see, there are tons of it that is up, so you can just select one of these and download it. Okay, once you download it, it will be stored in your gallery. Now you have confirmed this has been downloaded, then you go to your Mactive and connect your Mactive app to your watch 6. Okay, so you go to your device down here, select device option and select add device and select search. When you select search, you are going to see your watch 6 up here displayed. So you tap on your watch 6 and it's going to connect to your watch. Now it has been connected. Now you press the back key and tap here. Alright, so as you can see, our watch face push option has just shown up. So you select your watch face push option. Now we are at the die center, so you select the custom die. Now we are at the custom watch paper setting. Now you select reset. Okay, so you see that on the watch also. Then you select the select option and it's going to take you to your gallery. Go to your photos and select your Apple watch face, as you can see here. So now we have our Apple logo here, and we are going to crop it down to the Apple logo size. Okay, just crop it to this way. Once you are satisfied, select the crop option up here and you are going to see start syncing. Don't sync first, close it. Now you go to this date and select off and select OK. Now you can see that the date has been removed. Now if you want it to be like this, maybe with the time on it like this, then you can now sync it up. But if you don't want it to blend like this, then you can now come to this text color down here and select black so that it will blend in with this. Alright, so once you have done that, then you can now select it once again, go back, recrop it like this and crop again, and now you can now sync it up. So let's start syncing to let it upload to your watch face, and in a couple of seconds you are going to see this bar move very fast and it's going to show right on our W26 Plus smartwatch watch face. As you can see, the bar is running. Alright, now we can see our watch 6. Now we can see our W26 Plus smartwatch Apple logo displayed. So that is how to do it. And if you want to put your time, you can just come here and select your time like this, and it's going to show right on your face. You can change the color to anyone that suits you. If you want the time to be there, but if you don't want it to be there, just blend it, all right, with the same color, which is black. All right, thank you very much. That is how to put your W26 Plus smartwatch Apple logo. If you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section, and remember to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.